If your Wi-Fi repeater has suddenly stopped boosting your signal, keeps disconnecting, or just feels slower than ever, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest updated method to fully reset your Wi-Fi repeater and get it performing like brand new again. The process is simple, quick, and works on almost every repeater model out there. Let's get right into it. Before anything else, make sure your Wi-Fi repeater is actually powered on. It should be plugged in firmly and the indicator lights should be visible. A proper reset only works if the device is receiving power. Next, look for the reset control. On most repeaters, it's either a small pinhole or a tiny button labeled reset, usually found at the back or on the side of the device. This is what fully restores your repeater to factory settings. Now it's time to activate the reset. If your repeater has a pinhole reset, grab a paperclip or a SIM ejector tool and gently insert it into the hole. Press and hold for about 15 seconds. Don't let go too early. Keep it pressed until you see the LED lights start flashing. If yours has a physical reset button, simply press and hold it with your finger for the same 15 seconds. Again, wait for the flashing lights. That's a signal that the reset was successful. Once the lights flash, release the button and give the repeater a moment. It will now reboot itself. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, all previous settings, your Wi-Fi name, password, and custom configurations are completely removed. The device is now back to factory defaults. After rebooting, it's time for the final step, reconfiguring your repeater. Using your phone or computer, connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi name. Your device will automatically redirect you to the setup page, or you can open a browser and type in the repeater's default IP address. From there, just follow the manufacturer's setup wizard. Enter your main Wi-Fi network name, password, and any custom settings you prefer. Once setup is complete, your repeater should be good to go, working faster, cleaner, and without the old glitches. And that's it. A full reset and fresh setup in just a few minutes. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you need troubleshooting tips, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.